Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study with Siddharth. I am your friend Siddharth. Friends, today we will not study. We are not going to study. Yeah, today for you holiday. Go enjoy. No, don't go. First listen me, then you can enjoy. So friends, today is 15th August. So today we are going to discuss about our nation, Independence Day. Today is Independence Day. Which day? Independence Day. So today we are going to discuss about our nation, Independence Day, its importance. Yeah, how it is important to us. Okay? So let's start. Friends, before knowing about Independence Day, you should know the meaning of independence. Yeah, if you are not dependent on anyone, if you are independent, so that is only independence. You understood? If you are not depend on anyone, just simply, if you are not depend on anyone, then it's only the Independence Day. Okay? Not Independence Day. It's only independence. Okay? So in India, why we celebrate Independence Day? You know this? No, I think you don't know. Listen, before 78 years, our India was dependent on British rulers. Okay, it was dependent. But why it was dependent? British came in the excuse of business and they spread all over the India and started ruling India. Yeah, they overruled us and make us dependent on themselves. We were dependent on Britishers. So that's why when we were freedom, when we were gone to freedom, we were independence. So that day is only known as Independence Day. Okay. Now we will study why we celebrate Independence Day. And when in which year our India was made independence. We know 15th August, but the India was independent in 15th August 2024. No, 2023. No. So we should know the year, okay? So our India was independent in 15th August 1947. 1947. Our India was became independent in 15th August 1947 after the hard struggle of 200 years done by our freedom fighters. Yes, our freedom fighter did a very hard struggle of 200 years. Then our India became what? Independent. Means it was not dependent on anyone. Okay, it is very important day for us. In this, now we understood that what is Independence Day. Now we should know one thing else. What is that? What we do on Independence Day. Okay, so you know the Red Fort of Delhi. In Hindi we say Lal Killa. So it is in Old Delhi and it is known as Red Fort. What is the name? Red Fort. In Hindi we can say it Lal Killa. Okay, so in that Red Fort on the day of 15th August means Independence Day, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi go and do the flag hosting and sing the national anthem. What he do? Goes in the Red Fort, he host the flag and sing national anthem. We should respect all the freedom fighters who gave their life also for our nation. Means they thought that we should make our nation independent. We can't be in British rule. So they gave their life also that I don't want to survive. Just I will fight for my nation and I'll make it independent. So we should follow the rules and the way of living made by them. Okay, they said that you should say always truth. You should always obey your elders. You should not steal anything. So we should obey them. We should not disobey them because they did that much for our nation. Okay, we should respect them that they give their life also. So you can think that how correct was there. Okay, so you should always obey them. So I'll give you the suggestion that you should always say truth to your parents. You should always obey your parents and all elders. Yes, in India pledge you say na, you should respect your all elders, parents, teachers. You should respect them. Okay, so you should respect them, obey them, and what? You should say them truth. Okay, and you should not steal anything. Means if you saw, wow, that is very beautiful, I want to take. No, that is not that is beautiful, but that is that person's. Okay, you should not steal anything. And I know My all the friends are very good. They always say truth. They are obeying children's, and just my suggestion is to you should obey the freedom fighters also what they said. Okay, friends. So for today, this much. Now I am going to show. I am going to sing a small poem in Hindi. Okay. So let's start. सर फक्र से उठ जाता है जब तिरंगा यह लहराता है, सर फक्र से उठ जाता है जब तिरंगा यह लहराता है, इस देश के वीर जवानों की वीरता को यह याद दिलाता है। जय हिंद।